The people, a dog face, you know. I know say a jail with there, you see me, in a Germany. You see what I say? And what I say, it's like say some brethren when them have a link in a Germany, so them say, through they know some have documents can travel all about. Them say it's like say, if you just buy a ticket and come up. You see me? So when I buy the ticket, take a couple weeks in advance and get the ticket and fly to Frankfurt, airport named Frankfurt. Seeing the virgin girlfriend come pick me up. You see me? After I come pick me up, it's like say we a drive I go home, you see me? And it's like we got one gas station. Two somebody stand up at a gas station, but we got the gas station and it's like say we pull up at the gas station. The youth where him I take the money from we. It's like say him saying if he got something in the place, you know, like say the gas pump outside, so you know say they sell something inside. You see me? And he say he forgot something, so when he go for this something, you see me? And come back. You know say I want gun the youth go for. You see me? So he come and stick with up.